In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to plan and visualize tasks beyond just the start and due dates. It's especially useful for tracking important timelines such as launch dates, review deadlines, content publish dates, or any other customized timeline that your workflow might need. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump in. To begin, the very first step is to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. Keep in mind that custom dates function at the list level and above, so it's essential to ensure you're in the right area where your tasks are housed. Now that you have your list open, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the calendar view. If you've already established this view before, you're all set. However, if you don't see the calendar view yet, you can easily create one by following ClickUp's prompts. In this example, let's assume you have your calendar view ready to go. Once you're in the calendar view, shift your gaze to the top right corner. You should see a button that says Customize. Click on that, and this action will open up a menu filled with settings that control how your calendar behaves and what information is displayed. It's a super handy menu, so be ready to explore. Inside the Customize menu, the next step is to locate and click on the option labeled Task Dates. Typically, ClickUp calendars are set to display tasks based on the start date or due date by default. However, this is where the magic happens. You have the power to change that. Now look for the button that says Add Custom Field. Once clicked, you'll see a selection of different field types. Here you'll want to choose the Date field type. After that, you can either select a custom date field that you've created previously, or, if you haven't set one up yet, go ahead and create a new one. Think about what your specific needs are. Perhaps you want to track a publish date, a review date, or even a client deadline. Once you select or create your desired custom date field, ClickUp will do the rest for you. It will immediately update the calendar view to show tasks based on that custom date field rather than the standard start or due dates. This is where you'll notice the flexibility that custom dates provide. You can switch between different date fields at any time, depending on how you want to plan your work. Imagine the possibilities. No longer are you confined by the default views. Instead, you can tailor your calendar to suit your workflow perfectly, transforming it into a powerful planning tool that aligns precisely with your schedule and goals. And just like that, you now know how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View effectively. This small trick can make a big difference in how you manage timelines and stay organized. If you found this video helpful and gained some new insights, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And hey, ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on more easy ClickUp guides in the future. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you now feel more confident in customizing your ClickUp experience. Happy planning!